are doing our inflation on ice, where we are teaching students about inflation through snow cones, and every 30 minutes we are increasing the prices to simulate inflation through the real world. It's a fun, engaging way to show students that the inflation is present in the real world, and it is also engaging in a fun way so that students are coming and interacting, but also getting something out of it. They get a fun treat and also learn something at the same time.
The Net Impact event that I've just experienced is actually very, very phenomenal. I learned a lot about the debt price. I learned that back in 1835, the government paid off the debt. And then I also learned about how cash and coins are also considered debt to this day. It purposely paid itself, the government owes money to itself. And I got my snow cone for 25 cents, but I know that the prices are going to be rising.
Joining Net Impact has opened my eyes to a lot of different things. It has showed me a lot of things about political things, definitely a lot about the national debt, and a lot of things about money crisis in the real world. It has made me more focused on my savings on money and things that I do with my money. So definitely joining Net Impact has helped me a lot.
I think coming to these events are really, really important because one, you get to network and you get to learn a lot. And it's just certain things, obviously we all know that we are in debt as nationally, we're all in debt, but it really shows you how significant it is. Change comes from us young, the young generations. And it's we need to come to these events and learn so we can be proactive.